arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, bright grille wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum bright front bumper, quick order package 22B Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, Tradesman package, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, STD, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800